Hello friends and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. Like in the previous videos, we have done many of the things using Android Studio. Plus, we have just also covered up many projects using Java, and I hope you understand that all projects which we have done yet. But today we are just using Android Studio. Means we are working with Android Studio in Java. And today in this video, I will be telling you that in Android Studio what is API and how to use API from start in Android Studio. So I hope you will be understanding this video of APIs. So previously on we have just covered up many of the APIs videos, like we have just covered REST API, DOM adoption API, and many other APIs which we have just built through Python. Plus we have also used React there. So I hope you understand that. But today we are just building a normal, means I will be just telling you about API, and I will be telling you the method, like how to use a simple API when you are using Android Studio in Java. So I hope you'll be understanding this video. And if you understand this, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on the channel, just subscribe button. After subscribing, notification that more people can learn and they can understand how we can build this project using these all amazing languages. So just now we'll be starting with the video, and from the start we'll be seeing that how we are building this project and what things we will be using in this from start. So just like I'm telling you that today we will be just understanding what is API and how to use API here in Android Studio when we are working with Java. So just now we'll be understanding that. So here I've opened my Android Studio. You can see this. Now we have just opened the Android Studio here. And after opening the Android Studio, you can see we are just getting all the things here, like all the file like activity.xml file, which is our main file where we just get all the codes here. And then these are my Android benefits.xml file, content main XML file. Now we have to just move on the designing file, which is our activity.xml file. So we have to just now move to the app folder, which we are getting here, which I have telling you in the first Android Studio video, which you have not seen yet. So remember to just see that video if you have not checked out that video. So here I will be now moving to my folder to open my file, which is the main file here. So I will be moving to main activity.xml file where I'm getting all the things. So I will be now directly moving to the you can say just I will be directly moving to the designing work of this file. So here I will be now directly doing that. Here I will be moving to merge manifest. We are getting this text. You have to move here. We are getting this. So here we have to move to the main activity file where we are just getting these all stuff. Then move to the content XML, and you can see we are just getting all that stuff. Means this is the content main XML file which we are getting here. So we are just now getting the command which is saying just hello first fragment, you can see, and then we are also getting a button of next. So here we will be using this hello first fragment, means we will be not working with this, so I will be deleting this. You can see we have deleted all the stuff which we were getting here, and now we will be writing a text view, means we will be dropping a text here, and in this text I will be writing a text of like we are just working with API. So I will be writing here API in Android Studio. So I will be writing here API in Android Studio like this. And after writing this thing, you have to now directly do one thing here. You have to press enter here, and you can see we are now getting here API in Android Studio heading, which we are just getting here. Now I will be making it bigger so we can just get it comfortably, but it is not making bigger. So we have to just move to the font size here at the right side now. So here you have to search and write here text size like this, and you can see we are getting here. So you can just set any of the text size like 34. If I do like this, you can see this, the size has been changed into 34, and we are getting it looking good. You can see this. So here you can see we are now getting all the things perfectly good, and you can see this. Now you can just change the font family also here of this API which we are getting here. And now I will be just telling you after changing the font family like what is API and how you can use it when you are using Android Studio. So now you have to just do one thing. You have to now directly you have to move here in the center of this API, and then you have to change it here. So for changing the API here, you have to directly now change the font size. So here I will be now writing text, or you can say font family like this. So we are now just getting here the font family. You can change any of the font family, like you can change it to any of the fonts which you want to change. Like you can change it to sans serif black, condensed, light, like any one of them. So I will be changing into sans serif black like this. So you can see now it has been changed into sans serif black here, which is looking good. You can see and now we are just getting all that stuff. So you can see now we are just getting it good looking, and it is looking awesome. Like this, we are now getting the API in Android Studio, which is written here. Now we have to run our emulator to check our API is running or not. So I will be running my emulator which I have created previously. But if your emulator is not running, you can create another emulator which I have telling you in the previous video how to create an emulator. You can check that out. And that was the Android tutorial video. So you can just see that video and you can learn how to create emulator if your emulator is not running. But you can see my emulator is running. It is showing me greater build running, means our emulator will be running in some while. And now it is telling me that your emulator is having some problems, build fail. So it is saying me that your Gradle build failed, so we are getting some problem in our emulator if it is failed. So for solving that problem, you have to directly move to the device manager here, and you have to delete the emulator which we are getting here. So I will be deleting my emulator here, and then you have to create another device normally. And after creating a device, you have to just select any one of them. Like I've not downloaded the S1, so you can download the S version here, and you can now directly accept this. And you have to now do one thing. You have to press next, and then your API will be starting downloading. Here you can see this is the Google API which we will be using. And when your API will be finished, then you can just create your emulator, and your API will be ready. And then I will be telling you that how we can use that API moving forward. So it will be taking some time to install, so we have to wait a while till it is installing. Here we have to just move on to our code. So when you install this thing, just you have to directly create a device which I've telling you how to create. So you can just select any one of them here. So I will be selecting Pixel XL device here. After selecting, you have to select this S. So you have to download the same thing, this S which I've telling you when we were working with Pixel 2. So remember to download only this S1. Don't download this API 34, API 32 or any other version which we are getting here, because these are all the older version which I am telling you, but this is the latest version. You can see it is Android 11, Android 10, Android 9, Android 8.1, Android 8.0, Android 7.7, 7.1.0. Then this is the last Android 7.0, but it is the latest one, Android 12.0. So we have to install this S version. After installing this, you have to now directly give the AVD name, means your device name you have to set here. So you can give any of your device name. Like I will be writing emulator like this, and you have to now press finish. You can also set settings here, like if you want your emulator in landscape, portrait, or if you want your graphics to be more good looking, like it should be your hardware, software, you can set it by your own self here. But I will be not changing anything. I will be just doing like I will be taking all the things same, and then I will be pressing finish button to move on. So I will be now pressing finish, and you can see our emulator has been created. Now I will be running my emulator by pressing this run button. So you have to directly press this run button, and you can see now it is saying me emulator is already running. Connecting to the emulator is starting AVD, means that our emulator has been started now, and our API will be running in some while. Then I will be telling you that how you can use API, but for that you have to download the S version which I have telling you to download. Then you can move on to use the API. You can see our emulator is running at the right side, and it is looking very awesome. You can see this. We are getting the Google API logo. So this is the S API which we have downloaded, and that was the Google API Play Store which we have downloaded here for our emulator. So our emulator should be running more smoothly. So you can see we have now understand that how to download API. Now we have to understand how we can use API when we are working with these amazing projects here. So now when you have run this emulator, you have to directly now just do one thing. You have to now wait a while till this pixel is starting, means till your mobile is starting. You have to wait a while, and you can see our API has been started, means our emulator of API has been started, and now you can start using your API here. So you can search in your mobile API like this, and after searching you can see we are getting nothing because we are not getting any API application installed on our emulator here. So you can directly use API by installing Play Store here. So now you have to just see that where the Play Store is. If your Play Store will be installed, so you will be getting it here. I will be removing this YouTube which we are getting here. Okay, so close this, and now you have to remove this YouTube. Then you have to move here, and then you have to search here Play Store. So if I search Play Store, you can see we are not getting Play Store, means that we have to install this Play Store from any of the default browser. So you can use Google or Google Chrome to install Play Store here. So I will be now writing here directly. I will be now moving here, and then I will be writing here Play Store download like this. So spelling mistake is here. So I will be writing download like this. You can see now I've just written on the emulator in the Google Play Store download. Now you will be getting Play Store download here. So you can download any one of the Play Store which you want to download. So we are getting all this stuff. So you can now just move on to this Google Play, and now you can just press accept and continue to the Google Chrome, and you can install that. So it will be redirecting you to the link. So I will be pressing no thanks here, and then you have to now it will be taking you to the emulator site, and when it will be taking you to the emulator site, your Play Store will be installed in some while, and after installing the Play Store you can move on and you can just use that thing. So I hope you understand this. I'm telling you that how you can install API in your emulator and how you can run your emulator when you have installed the API here. So like that you can just normally do that all stuff. So I hope you understand this video, and if you enjoy this video of emulator which we have just learned today's video. So remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. If you have understand how to install API and how to use that API to Play Store. So if you want to see more videos like that, you can suggest me in the comments what videos should I make. So I will be making that videos as well in future. So just thank you, meet you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorial using many different languages. Like in this video, we have learned about API. So for today, goodbye.